Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. In this puzzle page of the weekend edition, the daily newspaper of Saturday, July the 29th, 2023, already solved 3 puzzles. The 3-star Sudoku, the killer Sudoku, and the binary. So the last puzzle I will solve for today is the Tectonic. Yeah, Tectonic, I think with 1 star, because this one has 17, apologies, 17 printed digits. Yeah, 17. And this one will be number 6833. Yeah. And we have 17 printed digits. Should be an easy one. I think it's a 1-star puzzle, because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 17. But for a 1-star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. So let's get started. Alright. First question is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Well, I see 3 boxes with single box, yeah. It's a single box. Yeah, single box there, single box, and here, single box. Single boxes are always a 1. Wait. Second question, do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. I see here only 1 dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Wow. The 1 and the 2. Let me zoom this in. Okay. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. But let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and 2. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? I see here a triple box, there triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, the 3 is already given, so here the 1 and the 2 are left. Oh, we have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5, okay. Same for here. The triple box, the 1 is already given, so 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 3. We have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5, but we already have a 5 here in the same area. So this box should be a 4 then. Alright. Next strategy is to look for quadra boxes. Yeah, let me see. No quadra boxes. Well. No quadra boxes. Then the following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. Yeah. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright, we have only 1. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. Okay, let me draw this here. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape, figure, structure, or construction. How about this one here? When you see this kind of shapes, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4 here. Okay. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Yeah, we have here only 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2. These 2 boxes can be 4. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. But we have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 should be here and the 4 goes here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 5. 1 and a 5, okay. Then. These 2 boxes can be a 2. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So the 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 5. 1 and a 5. Let me mark those 1 and a 5. 1 and a 5. And this box is connected with that box. So 1 or a 5. This box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. I need to wait here. These 2 boxes can be a 1. But also that box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. Then these 3 boxes surround the 3. Can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this cross area. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this cross area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this cross area. For numbers 2 and the 5. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and the 5 goes there. Alright. These 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 5. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here. No, and the 3 goes there. Not the 5, but the 3. Okay. I think this box should be a 2. Because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can be 3. Can be 4. Can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left here in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 3. Can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 2. Alright. Oh, 1 and a 5. Overlook this 5. 1 and a 5. We have a 5 there. So no 5 there. 5 should be here. And a 1 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. So we also have 5. Now we have a 5 there. So this box can be 5 and more. That box should be 5. And this box should be a 1. Then, this box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. And I've eliminated the 4. So the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 2. Then. Let me see. Well. This box can be a 2. This box can be a 1. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. Okay. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1. Can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Let me see. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 and 3. 2 and 3. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. We have a double 1 there, that means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes, so it's not the solution to place the 1 there, the 1 supposed to be here. And now, let me see. These two boxes can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, this box should be a 2. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. Okay, these two boxes can be a 2, so the 2 goes together with the 3 as a pair. So I've eliminated the 5 there, so the 5 should be here. 1 box left in this area for number 1. These two boxes can be 2, these two boxes can be a 3. We have a double 3 there, double 2 there, so the 2 and the 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes here. 1 box left in this area for number 5. Okay. Let me see. This box can be a 5, so that box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there. So 2 numbers left. The 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4. Well, we have a double 2 there. That means that this box cannot be. Oh, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there. 2 and a 3, we have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there. Alright, 3 numbers left in this area for us. 1, 2 is missing, 3, 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing. Well, this box can be a 2, this box can be a 5, so the 2 and the 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 there, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there, and 1 digit left in this area for the number 4. Finish in 12 minutes. Told you, need to be faster than 15 minutes for this Tectonic with 17 printed digits. So we solve it again, and I like this one, yeah, so we'll do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we will meet again tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow we have a Samwise Sudoku and an additional in this newspaper. And yeah, we will meet again tomorrow. So have a great and fantastic Saturday. Until then, bye-bye for now.